To issue a credit memo in QuickBooks Online, start by creating a new credit memo by clicking the New button. Then select the Credit Memo option under the Customer section. On the next screen, choose the appropriate customer, enter their email address, and consider changing the credit memo date. You can also add tags and include products with descriptions and amounts. Once these details are filled in, click the Save and Send button. After the credit memo is created, apply it to an invoice by clicking the New option again, this time selecting Receive Payment. Choose the same customer selected earlier, and specify the payment method. You may also want to change the deposit to method in one of the accounts. In the Credit section, select the credit memo created earlier by checking the box next to it. Then, in the Outstanding Transactions section, choose the invoice to which you want to apply the credit memo. All relevant invoices for the selected customer will be displayed. Select the invoice, and then choose the credit memo. Enter the received payment amount, and click the Save and Close button to complete the process.